9 law students from New York Law School got together and filed a lawsuit against their alma mater. You want to learn why they did that? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. 9 law students who were unable to get a job after graduating from New York Law School decided to sue their law school. Why? For false advertising. They claimed in their lawsuit that the law school falsely advertised their chances of finding a job after they graduated from law school. What they did is they turned around and said, hey, New York Law School, we relied on your advertisements. We came to law school. We studied law. We wanted to become lawyers. We took out lots of loans and incurred lots of debt in order to become a lawyer with the expectation that we would have a job after we graduate. Well, I want to tell you something. The judge threw out this lawsuit, rightfully so. The judge basically castigated and yelled at these lawyers and said, hey, this law school and any law school is not in the business of being an employment agency. They're not responsible for you getting hired. There are other reasons why you might not have gotten hired. Maybe it was how you did in the bar exam. Maybe it was your personality. Maybe it was something else that somebody didn't want to hire you. Maybe there were no jobs in your area and the specialty that you want to practice. There could be many reasons. But the judge rightfully turned around and said to these law students, hey, don't blame the law school because of the fact that they advertised for legal educations. You got a legal education, you went ahead, graduated, and now you're blaming the law school because you couldn't get a job? A lot of attorneys have been talking about this online and talking about the fact that these lawyers have spent so much time and energy and effort to blame everybody but themselves. If these lawyers had channeled their energy and their resources into trying to either get a job or create a job for themselves or create their own law firm, I guarantee you they would have had more success than trying to blame somebody else. You have to step up to the plate and take responsibility for your own actions. And had they done that, these lawyers, I'm sure, would have recognized, hey, you know what? I can better use my time to try and create my own law firm. I'll become a solo. Maybe I'll join together with one of these other 9 lawyers who are still out of work. And by doing that, they instead of blaming somebody else for why they couldn't get a job, they now would have created something that they would have been proud of. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this because this is a decision that just came down 2 days ago, and I thought it would be helpful and useful for you to understand what's going on in the minds of some of these recent law graduates. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.